Zero-water replacement filters. Ensure you are drinking pure tasting, cleaner water by replacing your zero-water pitcher filters regularly. Our replacement filters fit in all zero-water pitchers and water dispensers, from the smallest pitcher to the largest. 5-stage water filtration. Unlike many water filters pitchers, zero-water filters use 5 stages of filtration, to bring you cleaner, better-tasting water. Instead of carbon filtering only, our filters use ion exchange technology to reduce contaminants. Not an ordinary water filter. Zero-water filters filter water in 5 stages, are NSF certified to reduce lead and other heavy metals. Zero water removes 99.6% of total dissolved solids, 2x more than the leading brand, tested by independent lab. Get more out of your water. Remove more impurities from your water with Zero Water's unique, 5-stage filter system. With a variety of options, you can have cleaner water anywhere, from pitchers, bottle filtration systems, or portable on-the-go cup filters. Get the lead out. Zero-water filters are the only pour-through filters NSF certified to remove chromium lead. Our pitchers, tumblers, dispensers remove virtually all solids for the purest tasting water. Included components: activated carbon tourmaline medical stone KDFPP cotton. 5-stage dual ion exchange filter removes virtually all dissolved solids from tap water. As effective at reducing chromium-6 in tap water as reverse osmosis systems. Meets FDA requirement for dissolved solids in purified bottled water. 4 patents and other patents pending. ZeroWater offers a filter recycle program. They recycle the plastic and regenerate the resin used in the filter process. Top reviews from the United States. Best value on the Internet. For those who already own a ZeroWater, this price per filter is the best, better than Walmart, better than ZeroWater.com themselves. Buy it here. For those who don't own a ZeroWater setup, read below. ZeroWater provides the best tasting filtered water I've ever had, better than Brita or Pure brands. However, this comes at the cost of a significantly shorter lifespan per filter. Living in Los Angeles where the tap water is virtually radioactive, Brita and Pure brand filters simply don't remove enough contaminants to change the taste at all. However, as I noted above, while a Brita filter might last multiple months, ZeroWater filters struggle to last 30 days, roughly 30 gallons, before turning sour.